Ever stared at your bank statement, baffled by those tiny deposits and withdrawals labeled Venmo? Yeah, me too. It's not exactly a fortune you can retire on, but it is weirdly cryptic. So, what's the deal with these Venmo verification deposits? Are they some kind of secret Venmo Illuminati initiation ritual? Spoiler alert, no. Actually, it's all about trust and security. Venmo, like many financial apps, needs to verify you actually own the bank account you're linking. Think of it like showing ID at a club, except way less dramatic, and hopefully without a bouncer in a velvet rope. Those tiny deposits and withdrawals are Venmo's way of checking your ID without asking you to fax a copy of your driver's license, thank goodness. Here's how it works. Venmo sends 2 minuscule deposits, usually less than $1 each, to your bank account. At the same time, they'll also make 2 tiny withdrawals for the exact same amount. Don't worry, these deposits and withdrawals are meant to offset each other, so your overall balance shouldn't change. It's basically a little Venmo money dance to confirm you have control of that account. Now, the burning question, how much exactly does Venmo deposit to verify your bank account? Well, the truth is a little bit unsatisfying. There's no set amount. Venmo uses variable microtransactions, so the exact deposit amount can differ. It's kind of like those little candies you get at the grocery store checkout, always a surprise, but never a life-changing amount of sugar, or cash, in this case. But hey, at least it's not a huge chunk of money disappearing from your account. Once you see those microdeposits and withdrawals on your statement, you can head back to the Venmo app and enter the amounts to complete the verification process. Easy peasy, verification complete. Now, some of you might be wondering why Venmo even needs to verify your bank account in the first place. There are a couple of reasons. First, it helps prevent fraud. By confirming you own the linked account, Venmo makes it harder for someone else to steal your money and funnel it through a random bank account. Security is key, especially when you're dealing with online transactions. Second, verifying your bank account unlocks some pretty cool Venmo features. Without verification, you're limited in how much you can send and receive. Think of it like training wheels on your Venmo bike. Once you're verified, you can ditch the restrictions and send those virtual Benjamins flying, responsibly, of course. So there you have it, the mystery of the Venmo microdeposits solved. It's all about building trust and keeping your hard-earned cash safe. Now you can go forth and conquer the Venmoverse, secure in the knowledge that your bank account is properly verified. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.